Hello everyone, my name is Justin and in this video I will be installing the VirtualBox application and running Windows Server 2016 on a virtual machine. I'll provide the links to the downloads of each application in the description. So download the VirtualBox setup, install. Should take a couple of seconds. Okay, and it'll automatically start after the install. When it starts, what we'll need to do is add a new virtual machine for the operating system. So we'll be installing Windows Server 2016, so I'll just name it Server 2016 and click the drop down box, and select operating system. The default RAM to dedicate to the virtual machine is 2 gigs. I'll leave it as that since it's default. Since you need to install the operating system onto a hard drive, you'll need to create a virtual hard disk onto the machine. Virtual hard disks next. The default is the dynamically allocated space, so we will leave it as that. And the system recommends 50 gigs, so we will leave it as that. Okay. Now that the virtual machine is up, we'll need to install the operating system. One tip is you can go into the settings, and for the system settings, this is the order that it's currently set at to select the boot drive. But you're installing it to the hard disk, so after install, you'd want the hard disk to be the priority boot drive instead of it having to look for a floppy or optical. In this case, you don't have any. So you select hard disk, then you power on the virtual machine. Okay, and it'll ask you for the startup disk. In that case, you select where the startup disk is, hit add, go to a directory where you store the ISO file, open it, choose, and hit start. It'll begin the process of installation. Next, install now. Okay, so this ISO has an activator already that comes with it, and it's the KMS activator. So you would choose the Windows Server 2016 standard KMS. It says pre-activated by KMS. Hit next. Accept the license. You'd want to custom install. Select the allocated space. See that it's 50 gigs. Okay, and then the process will start to install. I'll pause it and come back when it's finished installing. Okay, so it's finished installing and now the system will restart. Selected the hard drive as the primary boot device. It didn't ask to choose which boot device you would want. The system would restart a few times in between. It's installing the Windows features. case it'll ask you for a password now, so you just enter a password. There we have it. You have it installed. On the virtual machine, it'll say hit Control Alt Delete, but you'll just need to hit right Control and Delete on the virtual machine, and it'll. There we go. You have Windows Server 2016 installed. It should automatically connect to your network. We'll just go to Properties. Windows 2016, Windows Server 2016 standard. It's activated, and that's it.